The issue of Igbanke and state creation, what are our leaders doing to tackle it? Because we know, according to our oral history, that Igbanke and other communities were once part of the Benin kingdom.
As the information when they reach us, we say they want to carve those states, they want to carve some of our territories into another state. They are creating new states. We say no. None of our those territories and those South will be carved into any other new state creations. We the Ontario Youth Union will stand against it. Edo na majority. Or na don't change us to minority. Edo Empire, when we know, stretched down from here to Benin Republic, Ghana, Onisha, Delta States. But today, only Edo South, the 7 local government that we call our own. And now, we just say the politicians and the senators, they don't write another bill to carve Edo State, to carve our territory into another new state creation. We say no, it's not going to happen.
Okay, my people, you all are welcome. You all have heard what those Ile Ibinu protesters said. They are just saying rubbish, wasting their time. They said that, what are the leaders of Bini people doing to stop Igbanke from joining Anioma states? Waiting on a leader won't do. There is nothing any Benin leader can do about it. Igbanke people are not Bini people. If you say Igbanke people are Bini speaking people, we will not say, okay, they won't just leave Edo State just to cause problem for them. But this one, we say, Igbanke people are not Bini people. Don't you people have sense? Igbanke kings have made it clearly that they are not Bini people. They said that they are of Igbo origin. They said that they speak Igbo language, that they are Igbo people, not Bini people. Igbanke people, they don't bear Oba as their title. They are not Enoges. They are known as Obis and Ezes. Your Oba is not the one that gave birth to them. Your Oba did not crown any Igbanke king. Igbanke kings are not from Bini origin. Igbanke people have nothing to do with Ile-Ife. They are not Ile-Ife people. They are not Yariba people. You Bini people, your Oba is from Ile-Ife, Yariba. Have you ever seen Igbanke kings going to Oduduwa meeting? No. Have you ever seen Igbanke kings going for all these Yariba meetings, OPC, all those things? They don't go all those things because they are not the same people with your Oba. Many of these Bini people, they don't just get sense. Just see the rubbish where these children they talk. See as they tie red cloth for head, tie for hand. You they go protest now, they dress like who won't go war. Also why? Just they talk rubbish. How are we sure that these people are not cultists? See as they talk. See in mouth, see in lip as everything they black. Protest of just 10 people. When I don't go hire all these street boys when not get work, may they go do protest for now. You people are not ashamed of yourself. Nobody from Edo State can stop Igbanke people from joining Anioma State. Igbanke people are not one of you. They are not the same people with you Bini people. They don't bear Bini names. They don't practice Bini culture. They don't practice Bini tradition. They don't listen to Bini music. They don't eat Bini food. What Igbanke people eat is apple. They eat pounded yam. They eat Igbo food, Igbo soup. But you Bini people, una still dey force on yourself on Igbanke people. Imagine people that don't speak the same language with you people are forcing yourself on them. Edo State does not belong to Bini people. No be Bini people get Edo State. Edo State is a state with so many tribes. Edo State is just like a mini Nigeria. Many tribes are found and they are indigenous in that state. Igbos are in Edo State. Ile Ibini people are there. Esan people are there. Yariba people are there. Ijo people are there. Igala people are there. So many tribes are there. Why are you Bini people behaving as if Edo State belongs to you people? So as Edo State today now, people won't break come from that Edo State now. When I go begin cry, say now I get those people because of say they no one day for Edo State again. Now Oba Bini, have you ever heard that your Oba is the Oba of Edo State? Your Oba is just the Oba of Bini. That's on a dot kingdom. Now Oba be. Ona Oba not be the king of the entire Edo State. Your Oba is a king to you. Igbanke people have their own kings. Everyone has the right of belonging. You people should stop crying. Igbanke people are not part of you. Instead of make una go find what you go better on our life, una carry Igbo matter for una head. The Igala people in Edo State say that they want to join Anioma State. Igala people in Edo State, they thought they want to join Anioma State. In Enugu State, they came. They said that the Igala people in Edo State that they want to join Anioma State. Say they want to join Anioma. Maybe they part of Anioma people. They said that they are being marginalized in Edo State. Say marginalization too much for that place because they are a minority. Other people where they that same Edo State won't come out from that Edo State because of marginalization. And when I not even see those people, no only Ibanke where be Igbo they pay no na people. People. When they drink morning, afternoon, and night. They give a sense chop and I say no, say na when I want the drink. He said that in their oral history that Ibanke is part of Bini kingdom. Now, what is a kingdom? A kingdom is a community that is being ruled by a king. Bini kingdom speak Bini language. Ibanke people speak a different language from Bini people. Now, how can you be calling people who don't speak your language part of your kingdom? Are you not a fool? These boys now, they don't get sense. They don't know the meaning of a kingdom. Bini people will be telling you, Bini Empire, Bini Empire. They don't know that Bini is not an empire. Bini not be empire. You be empire if you dey go war. The entire tribes where they are not they go war with you. Only one where be Bini they go war, they invade people. When British come destroy Bini, Esam not join Bini people fight British. Anioma people not follow Bini people fight British. Yoruba people in those states not follow Bini people fight British. Okwana people not follow Bini people fight British. Ika people not follow Bini people fight British. Only Bini not fight British. British destroy them. Is to tell you that Bini is just a kingdom and not an empire. If empire they go war like this, the entire army, both from people when they speak their language, all of them they go together. So Bini kingdom is just a bully. So now they bully Okwana people, Ika people, Enoana people in the past. That is just a bully. Bini people have been using our people for sacrifice. Using Ika people, Enoana people and Okwana people for sacrifice in the past. And now you people are saying that we are part of your kingdom. You don't use people that are part of your kingdom for slavery and sacrifice. Who are the people that sold Anioma people into slavery in the past? Is the Oba of Bini. Bini people. Or that they sell our people for walking stick, for mirror, for brush. And today, you are saying that Igbanke people that you people are selling into slavery are part of your kingdom, are your people. Where? I pour on a speech for face, on not get sense. This set of Bini people, they don't have sense. We here say Uniben na very good school, say they get good lecturers, then they teach where see people where they say Uniben they Benin City. All of them are mumu. Well, they know they learn sense for school. If you say that they learn sense for school, Uniben for be the best place to raise people who get sense. But they don't learn sense in school. That's why you go see lawyer who not get sense. I saw one that day from Okwane on Facebook saying that Anioma people are not meant to be in the service, that Anioma has nothing to do with the service. This is to tell you that he's just a lawyer, but he not get common sense. He not get sense when a lawyer be. So going to school does not prove that someone will have sense. Many people don't know the difference between a kingdom and an empire. Ibanke people are part of us. They are part of Bini kingdom. People where they treat anyhow be part of your kingdom. How are you people treating Ibanke people in Edo State? You are marginalizing them. In Ibanke, they build their own roads with their hand. They pay their teachers. They build their schools. Everything in Ibanke, they are the ones using their hand to build that thing. You people have been marginalizing them, and today they bring out that toilet where you know they brush, where they come out, they talk rubbish. Say Ibanke are part of you people. You people don't have sense. You are just wasting your time. All these protests are just waste of time. This thing are protest. Gather small children, give them cardboard paper, they talk rubbish. They said that none of their territory will be added to Anioma State. Come and stop it, let's see. They tell you say when our governors and senators not know say Ibanke people are supposed to be in Anioma State. They know. And that is why they are not saying anything. They just keep on quiet. There's nothing your leaders are doing about it. Your Oba suspend Igbanke kings. They are still on their throne, functioning. 100% they did their throne. 2 billion% they function. Wait till your Oba don't do now, or your Oba not do anything. You think say Igbanke people na all those Ijo people for Okomu, where una take they play, they carry army and police, they go there, they do anyhow. You know if you try that rubbish for Igbanke. Igbanke issue is different because Igbanke people are Igbo people. You know what they say? The entire Igbo race stand with Igbanke. Anywhere when I want to carry this matter go, we dey ready to follow now up. I mean, those laws where they make for military regime when I want to go court. Now those na quack history when I want to carry go court with Igbanke people. You people don't have any evidence. The document of 1934 prove to the world that Igbanke kings are known as Obi and not as Enoke. That one alone said don't shut all of una wey dey Bini up. Because you people are backing online saying that Igbanke kings are known as Enoke. That document don't shut all of una up. That is proof that Igbanke people are not part of you. They are known as Obi. They use Ofo. Ofo mantle of justice. Oba Bini they use Ofo. No. You Bini people, do you know what Ofo is? No. Do you know how Ofo looks like? No. Ofo in Igbo land is the mantle of justice, authority, and leadership. Igbanke kings still have it till date. So more than if you say when I see Ada and Eben, you don't be say that place na Bini origin. So now back and give people, not me say those people na Bini people. Is a chime have Ada and Eben. Na Bini person be no. Akalaka that founded Ekpeye, Oba, and some part of Ikuri. In the use Ada and Eben, he's a chief in Bini Palace, but he's not a Bini man. So more than if you say Ada and Eben shows Bini origin, na lie. But when you see Ofo na Igbo origin, they know they doubt and they say that you don't give an outsider Ofo. No matter how that outsider be your friend rich, you can never give him Ofo. Say take Ofo. Never. Where? We don't try that rubbish. Ofo is for Nwafo Igbo. Every community that use Ofo in this Nigeria is an Igbo speaking community. Even if that community, like maybe say they don't speak Igbo language again, as far as they get Ofo, they are of Igbo origin because only Igbos use Ofo. He said that Bini people are a majority and not a minority. Bini is a minority tribe in Nigeria. Bini is a minority tribe. How many una dey? Just that 7 local governments where una dey. Now una dey claim a majority. Do you know how many local government is Anioma? In Anioma, we have 9 local governments. Now on our web, 7 local governments come online, they talk rubbish. You are a minority. Say we get Anioma state now, only Anioma people stand, say they no one join South, you say they be Anioma people. They are a minority. They speak the same language but different dialects. Fine. Say all of them come as one people, they are still a minority because they are a dot. If Anioma people join South, they are a minority in South. And the same way Anioma people be for South now, so you Bini people be for that one Edo state. So you're a minority. But Anioma state is going to the southeast because that is where they belong. So you Bini people, you and southeast will be in boundary now. And that is with Igbanke people. Now no we talk say Igbanke Edo state again or Igbanke South. You will be saying Igbanke people in the southeast. And so shall it be. He said that Edo Empire stretched to Ghana, Benin Republic, Onitsha, and Delta states Ozwai. This Bini people not get sense. What do you mean that Edo Empire straight to Onitsha? Edo is not an empire. Edo is not an empire. Edo is the name of a state. So just bring that word Edo, say make the state they bear the name. That is Edo. Edo is not an empire. Bini is not an empire. When I they allow English, they deceive now because you people don't know the meaning of an empire. And an empire is gotten through invasion. If you not say be empire, you Bini people are invading other communities, forcing them to be part of you. That is to show that these people you are forcing are not part of you, Bini people. Hey, whoa, none of you get sense. Hey, Now like this, they just now like this Chuku design and say when I not go feel reason, I not get sense. You don't know the meaning of an empire. When I'm supposed to they shut up on our mouths, when I'm not even supposed to they talk say when I be empire, because an empire is a team of invasion. You invade other people around you, force them to be part of you. Now they say they don't want to be part of you again. You are crying, forcing them to be part of you. Ozwai. When I not get sense. Ghana now part of Benin Empire. Can you imagine? Benin Republic is now part of Benin Empire. Delta State is now part of Benin Empire. Onitsha is now part of Benin Empire. I saw the flag of these Benin people where they added the entire Anambra State, the entire Enugu State, the entire Imo State, the entire Anioma, all Bayelsa State, all River State. Say all of them are Benin Empire. Mumu people. Benin is just that land. That place on a day for those say that dot. Now what you people are landlocked. That is what you are. You can't force people to be part of you. And with the Igbo unification movement, we will be here busting your lies. All this your lies won't fly anymore. Your lies won't fly anymore. You people are just dot people. Una not go past that place because now there on a day you people are not in Anioma. Una not day Delta. Una not day River State. We don't speak Bini language in our region. All the time you are backing online. Now we get Urobo people in our children. People where be say during the past, waiting and take their eyes see, not waiting at the talk for mouth. The same way you were selling Anioma people, Okwane, and the car people into slavery, was the same way you people were selling Urobo people into slavery. Now on a mouth, people tell the year say Urobo means sacrifice, say their name not be Urobo, say their name not Sobo. Now on a mouth. Today now people when they maltreat, they oppress, when they claim say they be a descendant. Puerto una be mumu and not get sense. We Anioma people are not Bini people. We are Igbo people. Anioma state must be actualized and sown to the southeast. Igbanke people, Iru people, the Ika speaking people in those states are part of Anioma state. You can't stop it. Nobody from Bini go fit stop it. So all these protests that you people are protesting now medicine after death. You know get sense. You drag people wey get sense to dey part of you. Wakatona. Anioma state is a go, and the Igbanke people are part of Anioma state. Anioma state will be sold to the southeast where we belong. Igbo bofu. And we will never allow this set of Bini people that don't know their left or right to divide us. You share well.